Hello and welcome back. If you're into RV gadgets like me, saving money and making life on the road easier, you're in the right place today. In this video, I am reviewing my RV Macerator pump, how it works, how to use it, and whether you should actually buy one. A Macerator pump is basically a garbage disposal for your RV tanks. Instead of dumping waste through a big sewer hose, this pump grinds everything up and pushes it through a small hose like a garden hose. This means you can dump your tanks in places you normally couldn't, so long as you have an appropriate dumping receptacle. So what are appropriate receptacles? A regular toilet, but please ensure the hose is not going to fall out. This can be very messy. Your home's sewer cleanout. Most homes will have a sewer cleanout somewhere outside. This is actually what I use, as mine is right next to my RV parking space. An RV dumping station or your regular campsite sewer hookup. The point here is always use a dump facility appropriate for the type of waste that you are dumping. So here is a simple breakdown of how it works. Firstly, connect the Macerator pump to the RV waste outlet. Then connect your hose to the out connector on the pump. Now anchor the other end of the hose into the dump receptacle. Open the RV's waste outlet. Waste will now start to flow into the pump. Connect the pump to a 12-volt power supply. Turn the pump on and the internal blades will grind up everything into a liquid. The pump now pushes the waste through a garden hose using pressure. Here's what I like about it. You can dump at home, potentially saving money, not paying any more dumping fees. Pumps uphill, long distances, or even when the campsite sewer pipe is above your waste outlets. It's way cleaner than using traditional sewer hoses. Uses a regular garden hose, which is super convenient. Use it for winterizing, extra post-trip cleaning. I am somewhat anal about cleaning my tanks, and that's no pun intended. However, it's not perfect. Here are some of the cons. It's slower than gravity dumping. You do need a 12-volt power supply to run it. More moving parts equals more things that can break. Cheap models can clog or fail. I purchased the FlowJet item on Amazon and I have never had an issue. These are a few concerns where a lot of new users of this pump mess up, me included.
1.
Running the pump dry. This will burn out the motor.
2.
Not flushing out after use. Always use the back flush connection after using the pump.
3.
Trying to pump hard solids, items that should not be in your tanks.
4.
Buying a weak or cheap pump just to save money.
5.
And please, always ensure the hose end is securely placed into the dumping receptacle. If you consistently camp at full hookup sites, you may think you don't need this. However, it can be used to clean out during winterization and when the campsite sewer system or outlet is less than functional. But if you dump at home,